that dessert. Guys, you can't have a party without a sweet, right? You need a little sweet munchie. Oh my goodness, is this easy or what? I like to call these done-up donut holes. It's like a cake pop minus all that cake pop drama, because if you've ever made those, you know how hard it is to put those things together. So I cut every corner by buying donut holes. They sell these at the store, at the donut shop. Buy your favorite, really easy. And all we're gonna do is dip them in melted frosting. That simple. Donut hole, so easy. Chocolate and vanilla frosting, I melted it in the microwave. Buy your favorite brand, strawberry, cream cheese, whatever frosting you like. Just melt it, but watch it. You don't want it bubbling and getting too hot. Throw them in. And when I say throw, I mean throw. And you know, if your New Year's party is a family party, there's kids involved, they will love these. Toss it around on a spoon and then put it on a baking sheet, a plate, any flat surface. Maybe a couple of chocolate. We've got our donut holes covered in frosting, and now I went to the craft store and I got these fancy sprinkles, but use what you have. And now just go to town. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Sprinkle away. Some gold, some white, some gold and white. We've got these cute little sugar balls. I went gold and white because I figure, it's festive, it's New Year's, it's glam. But if you've got different colored sprinkles at home already, use what you have. Now we're gonna take our donut holes and we're gonna put them in the fridge. I would say, you know, a couple of hours till the frosting gets nice and hard, and then take them out right before the guests come for the next step. Be back. The frosting is nice and set, and I got these cute little mini like cupcakey holders. Some white, some gold, and now we just put them in. Okay, that's it. We've got our fancy dessert. Look at that. We've got cheesy breadsticks, shrimp cakes with avocado cream, and now we have our done-up donut holes, but the party doesn't start till we get the bubbly.